There is an uncanny resemblance and recognition when the soul, through the body, connects with nature. Whether we are looking at a weed pushing itself through cracked cement, or we're immersed in a forest, bathed in the sense of all its greenery and flowers, moss, and waterways. Our soul, the essence of who we are, the fragmented piece of the one source, feels whole, fulfilled, regenerated, rejuvenated, in pure perfection. Within this moment, if we silence our minds, we will hear source code, source language, messages, guidance, learnings. And yet, it's not really a voice that we hear. It is a knowing. It is a being. It is a feeling, undescribable. We renounce the essence of who we really are through what one would call a soul, when we are one with nature. So how do you commune with nature? Your backyard, barefoot, is the simplest way. The beaches, the oceans, the forests, pathways, the walkways, your garden. This is what needs to be done on a regular basis for your soul to breathe and exhale. And yet, once we are immersed in this natural state that has been bestowed to us, it is our birthright. We ponder and wonder, why has it taken me so long to get here? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Imagine yourself now in nature. Imagine yourself immersed in the greenery, the fragrance, the warmth from the sun, and yet a coolness in the breeze. Sitting on a bench, walking on a path. However, your imagination brings this forth to you. Imagine this. The smell, the sounds, the feeling. It's yours. Own it. It's yours. Be it. It's yours. Take it. It's yours. It's everyone's. It's theirs. It just is. Breathing a little deeper than you normally would. Keeping your eyes closed, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your face, relaxing your arms, relaxing your torso. Breathing, feeling your heart center. You are part of the law of nature. Natural, naked, with the air around you. You are one with nature. We segregate, we separate, but we always have to find a way to come back and honor the power, the healing power that she has and awaits for us to take. She will give it to you. If it is naturally harvested, organically harvested, it's yours. For a moment, let's sit and just breathe in. And resting for as long as you would like, continue living in your natural beauty, connecting with nature, within your being, within your mind, within your heart. For as long as you want. Open your eyes when you're ready. And so it is.